Two sisters
with few fears
and great ambition,
ready to take on the world
one ocean at a time.
I can't believe you got it on just when this song. I'm late for work. I don't go to work. I don't. Of Nassau and then skip the Exumas this year, but they're pretty sure when they get to Granada that they're gonna. Where are we going?
Breakfast at the neighbors. Smells so good.
Yeah, it did when I came back from taking the dogs off, dropping the dogs off.
Oh yeah, I saw that, yeah. Got a bunch of videos there, huh?
Oh, just a few.
Yeah, we're gonna be uploading another one today, so.
That's a nice boat, huh?
Wait, what was it? 295 foot.
Cappuccino.
Yeah.
Cappuccino. I feel like we're getting spoiled here. And then how did you make these pancakes? What is in this? Oatmeal and
Oatmeal, bananas, flour, a little bit
Decaf
of
or
baking
regular?
powder,
Regular.
vanilla.
Do you have vanilla or no
eggs.
flavor?
eggs. And it's delicious.
Vanilla
Yeah, we
flavor or no
we
flavor?
kind of wanted to make pancakes, but also like, well,
See what things that they had on the boat. Time to go to the supermarket.
right, Sasha?
Yep. Supermarket time.
With Ronit from
Hello.
Liora.
Yeah.
Manahal Liora. Liora.
Yes, Leora.
Yes, there you go.
Leora.
Liora. French, right?
No.
No?
Hebrew.
Hebrew. Got some fresh groceries. Some produce for a couple days. Gonna make some pizza. Popcorn. Good stuff. Re-anchoring in our little harbor in Nassau. Got some company here trying to get out of this storm that's going to be coming up in the next few days. So hunker down. if you can see Natalie, but she is out there checking out our anchor. We're not having good holding here, and we got this big blow coming through in the next few days, so we're starting tonight. So she's out there checking it out, seeing how we can get some better holding.
Out at that point too, so it's like the jerk, and it's still, so it should have held when it hooked, but it didn't. So maybe in a way it's good though, because if what, maybe like in front of this blue boat there somewhere, and so we anchored and we were dragging for a while, but we like not too bad. But then so I went in and dove. We had drug at least 100 foot. We had been dragging at least 100 foot, and at some point it finally caught. But it was caught here.
I was so concerned, man. You were sideways,
Yeah.
like sideways is glue. I know on this boat,
not
all
catching.
boats,
Yeah.
they go sideways. We need hooked.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, Natalie, and so I tried to like get the boat to turn and like straight into the waves again to see if that would help, and nope, just kept going sideways. Well, okay, pull it back up. God.
Now they're going to the movie.
Just in case. Had some trouble anchoring yesterday, so engine was kind of being pushed a little because we kept having to make pretty intense turns. So I just want to make sure everything's running right. Got plenty of oil in there, so we're good on that.
So here I am in the galley, getting ready to do some dishes. I just wanted to show you guys what we do with our water. So we have our dirty dishes right here. As you can see, we made some coffee this morning, so get rid of those grounds. So this is our like rinse water, as you can see, rinse water. And then we clean the dishes, we put them on this side once they're all sudsed up. And then we go back to this side to rinse the dishes off. So, and then we have all this extra water that we keep in here. And instead of wasting water for the toilet, we use this extra water to help flush, keep the toilet clean. We also decided to try to grow some basil. We'll be making some pizza tonight, pizza dough at a friend's boat. And thought we'd make some tomato basil pizza, and see what else we can do with it. So wish us luck.
Did you sail that boat across the Atlantic? Really? How long did it take you?
The crossing itself.
Yeah.
I started from Gambia,
Okay.
you know, where it is?
Is it Gambia at that time?
Africa.
Okay, I was gonna say it's not French. Okay, Africa, yeah.
To French Guiana.
Wow. What is your name?
Paul.
Polly. Natalie.
Paul.
Polly?
Paul.
Paul. Paul.
Paul McCartney.
Oh, Paul.
How do you
Paul
say?
McCartney, Paul.
Paul. My name is Natalie and this is Sasha.
Sasha. Nice to meet you.
And you are
Sasha.
Sasha and Natalie.
Americans. Natalie.
Yes.
Natalie and Sasha. Go. Come on. Go. Today we cook pizza with Ronita. Yum yum.
We'll probably do like 4 cups. I don't have a cup, so you can really have
4 cups
We'll
of
do 4. We'll
flour.
Okay, this is a bit too wet, but we don't like this. And then you can cut a little bit here and there. Because then you squish it a little bit and transfer it over here.
Gonna have some zucchini pasta for lunch. With some veggies. Chicken. Made some coleslaw. And pizza dough for later today. There it is. Coleslaw with the neighbors. It's gonna be tasty. Food on a boat. Gotta love it.
No, I brought it with me. Actually, I'm
Okay.
almost finished, so now I'm not sure. Yeah.
Yeah, because that's one of our favorite sandwiches for lunch were Lebanese
Thank you.
and olive oil.
We're eating like queens. Thank you, Ronit.
You're welcome.
You guys are gonna be...
Even they want some. But no, you stay down there.
This morning it is fairly windy outside. Natalie's doing some stuff on the computer, made herself some breakfast. We've been getting gusts up to over 32 miles per hour. Anyways, so we woke up this morning. This is how we make coffee. Have our little kettle whistling. It's ready. A little thing here with our coffee grounds. It goes into our coffee pot. And then we usually takes 2 hands. But grab coffee kettle. And we pour the coffee water in. And that is why you need 2 hands. Perfect example. Anyways, got some avocado toast going. Eggs. Time for breakfast. Hey, it's a little windy outside. Very windy outside. And like to brew kombucha, so decided today was a good day to brew a little bit more fresh kombucha. So I made my tea mix. About to add the sugar to it. And I'll make some sweet tea before I add it to my starter liquid and scobies. Just putzing around today.
And how easy is kombucha to make?
Very, very easy.
So, next time you think about buying an $8 kombucha at the store, just think.
Say $2 for 100 bags of tea. However much a bag of sugar is.
And
Water.
$10 for a SCOBY if you can find one.
Yeah, just get a
Or
SCOBY.
free from friends.
SCOBY, free from friends. You can make them too, but I was able to find one. So,
And how many servings is one ferment? Or
I
one
wanna say
batch?
like 7, 8, 9. Takes about 7 days to ferment. You can make a continuous batch, but just on the boat makes it a little bit difficult.
And you can even make hard kombucha.
It takes an extra fermentation, but
Which is what we're trying to figure
so
out.
we're gonna make some hard kombucha. Just need some champagne yeast, so we gotta find some of that. But hey,
If anyone knows or wants to send us some, that'd be great.
you got a lot of time on your hands on a boat, and this is a fun little activity to do.
Yeah.
It takes some patience, but I don't know, it's fun.
Are we patient? We're
Totally.
sailors.
Oh yeah, true. Improvising on our roller.
Yeti.
Yeti's come in handy in many ways.
Yeah. Alright, I made a small little chicken and cheese calzone. Hopefully it turns out. Not really sure. And then now I'm rolling out my pizza.
What are you gonna put on the pizza?
I'm gonna put some mushrooms, some chicken. Got our pizza sauce mix from yesterday. I'm gonna put some tomato slices and mozzarella. I think that's it. Yeah.
So this morning, doing some video uploading. Got the cute little doggos over here. Sleepy. We still got quite a bit of wind, so we're down over here on the west side of Nassau, trying to just catch up on a few things, but hopefully as weather calms down a bit within the next day or two and we can head off to our new destination.
Good morning, everybody. Alright, actually it's like not morning. It's like noon, but I don't know, we've been stuck here for a little while. Not really stuck, there's lots of things to do, but the things we want to do are on the water, so that kind of makes life a little difficult for us because, well, the water is not ideal for anything that we want to do. It's a little too choppy to go diving because the viz isn't that great. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna go check out a little reef that's near where we're anchored. Try and get some langosta. Yeah, so that's kind of just a little update. Alright, so this is one of our last nights with Ronit and Mark on Lioja. And we're doing a card game called, what is it called?
Canasta.
Canasta. With some drinks, but we have the dogs. And yeah,
Doggos.
having a good time.
Freya
Making the most of a calm night.
Yes.
Mark and Renit.
Yeah.
Hello.
Like Mama said before, it's back to sunshine,
Sunshine and sexy bathing suits.
Coming up next, we dive with some statues off Nassau. Papa and Mama come home, and we get ready to head off to our next destination.